day one, first day on the water. I had to fix everything else on my boat with the lights and all that. So far so good. We're just starting the first day fishing on my boat. We got the guys in the back trolling. Got some lines out. Got some lines out. We're marking fish. They're crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out today on the boat. Got here early this morning, doing some fishing for striped bass. All right, made our first spot right here. I don't know what's going on, but there's a lot of people here. Why can't you see me? There you go. All right. All right, spot number 2. We're by buoy 18. They're all lines out.
I don't have nothing in today.
She wants to catch as soon as she puts it in. That doesn't work that way. Say hi. I'll cast it out. I'll cast it out. Hold on.
How?
Say hi.
I
Huh.
You didn't show me that part.
Yeah, this is very difficult. Here,
Very difficult.
film me. Film me.
Okay.
Here.
No, but you gotta show me though.
Back up. Film me. Look through here. It's recording. It's recording.
Oh, okay. Merde.
Look at me. You got to point at me.
I'm sorry.
What kind of video?
Another good one. Allez, vas-y. We can.
Like, film me and she's on the floor.
I can't even see. I can't see, you know. You didn't show me how to do it. How am I gonna fish? If you don't show me. Where is it?
Just troll. Just reel in. Any bites? Well, they're marking. Yeah. You got it. See?
You better not be catching nothing before me.
Yeah. No, they're not catching. There's nothing yet. Nothing yet. Alright. So I guess that guy caught.
No, I want to fly it. So, which one is easy to fly?
What do you mean fly?
Like to throw, like that.
Bluefish. Everything good? Right now we got everything set up on the boat. So we're all the way down here by Monmouth Beach in New Jersey. Also, we're going to be trolling from Monmouth Beach to Sandy Hook, and back. So we're going to be going back and forth. Those are all the boats out there doing it right now. A lot of charter boats. We got my nephew. My pops is over here. Sitting down. And my brother is downstairs. We're turning port side. We're going to go back to the Sandy Hook. All right. Well, we got the Parker going through. Guys, update. Fish on. We got a nice 17-pounder striper on the troll. Everything's good. Everything's working good. We're having a good time. We're trolling. Yeah, we're gonna start trolling with the umbrella. Those all the boats are out there. Everyone is catching, so which is good. Everyone is catching. That means everyone's eating. I'm gonna make a just circle. I come back around, I go up by Sandy Hook and come back down right by Monmouth Beach. Sandy Hook back, and we've been hooking them up. Sandy Hook, baby. We're trolling. So far so good.